Hey, thanks for spending some time with me. I'm Tony and I'll be going over a simple way to make a Yoshinoya Beef Bowl at home. First, going to my local Asian grocery store. I bought a package of Yoshinoya beef with onion and sauce. It comes frozen and is found in the freezer section. The grocery store I bought this from is called Great Wall in the city of Monterey Park. Let's get right into it. I'll be using the microwave to prepare this. The suggested heating time in a 1000-watt microwave oven is 2 minutes, though cooking time will vary. Step 1 is to place the pouch on a microwave-safe plate with the front of the package facing up like so. Step 2. Microwave according to the package. The pouch will inflate and steam will escape. I set the timer to 2 minutes and let it run. Okay, done. Step 3. Remove the plate from the microwave once the pouch has deflated. Step 4. Carefully open the pouch because the product is hot. I empty out the beef and sauce into a bowl. At this point, I began heating the rice and veggies on the side. After that was done, the beef didn't appear to be hot due to two reasons. The original 2 minutes wasn't long enough because my microwave was lacking in power, or that it was already cooling down from being out. So I reheated it for another minute. I put everything together in a bowl, took out some extra condiments from a prior Yoshinoya visit to make this as authentic as possible. As you can see, I didn't use the Normandy style veggies that Yoshinoya uses. I just grabbed what I had in the fridge and substituted with mixed veggies. Thumbs up if you like, consider subscribing, and let me know your thoughts with your comments below.